Hey guys, this is me Abhilasha, your favorite VRC mentor, and I'm back again with one more question of the day. So this one is on odd one out. Let's try this one. It's a lovely question. Okay, before we start our question for the day, guys, if you haven't yet connected with me on Telegram, please do connect with me on Telegram. Find me using Abhicat. That's my short handle for my Telegram channel. Here's our question for the day. So this is an odd one out. We have 5 sentences. We have to spot the one sentence that does not fit this set. So here are our questions. Neuroscientists have just begun studying exercise's impact within brain cells on the genes themselves. Even there, in the roots of our biology, they found signs of the body's influence on the mind. It turns out that moving our muscles produces proteins that travel through the bloodstream and into the brain, where they play pivotal roles in the mechanisms of our highest thought processes. So we've got some muscles which are producing proteins, and the proteins travel through the bloodstream and into the brain, where they're very, very important and they play an important role. In today's technology-driven world, it is easy to forget that we are born movers, animals in fact, because we've engineered movement right out of our lives. We don't even want to move. It's only in the past few years that neuroscientists have begun to describe these factors and how they work. And each new discovery adds awe-inspiring depth to the picture. So very interesting, huh? So this is talking about how the body is influencing the mind, and the more the body is moving, more the more body is exercising, the mind and the genes themselves are improving. So take a look at sentence 1, which says the neuroscientists have just begun studying exercise's impact on the genes themselves. Even there, where on the genes, they have found signs of the body's influence on the mind. So your body is influencing the mind even on the genes, which is the base, which is a building block of all human life. So 1 and 2 is very beautifully connected. Then 3 also is connected to this, and also 5. So 1, 2, 3, 5 are all connected to the fact that we are, when we move, when we exercise, our brain becomes better, and we definitely get, into a better space. Our life, our brain will improve. Sentence number 4 talks about the fact that we are born movers. We have forgotten it, and that's because we have engineered movement right out of our lives. So I think sentence 4 should be the odd one out, while 1, 2, 3 and 5 are all connected. Let's take a look. Yes, the correct answer is sentence 4. That's the odd one out. I hope you've understood why our sentences are connecting. This was more about the theme of the passage than anything else. Remember, when you're doing odd one out, there can be several ways of identifying the odd one out. So you can create a para-jumble with the sentences and arrange them. That's one way. The other is to identify the keywords within the sentences and pick the sentences that have the same keywords. And the third way is by identifying the theme of the sentences. So the sentences could be of a particular theme, and you could pick up that theme and identify the sentences. So here the sentences were all based on the theme, and that is why they're all very beautifully connected. I hope you understood this question. Alright guys, please see me for practice rush hour at 10:15 every day, Monday to Friday. Thank you so much for joining in. Remember to hit like, share, subscribe and the bell icon. And remember to use my referral code ABHICATLIVE to get a 10% off on the next Unacademy subscription. I'll see you soon.